Well, I'd say it's time to build a new box for the truck. Got some plywood. I'm gonna build another box. It's rotted out. I thought I made it out of treated lumber before, but I guess I didn't. And now I got some treated plywood. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it, build a new box for the truck. You think he's shot or what? Check it out how rotten this thing is. Look at the rot on the bottom of that box. Huh? Yep. Let's see. Let's see. The sun is giving me hell. But look at this. That is some rot across there. That's my box, toolbox. Accidentally hit the button. Yeah. So I'm gonna make another box just like this one, with the hinges right there. Got 3 hinges. I got a little tray to put inside. A tray on each side there. And then this middle tray, this middle one right here, it slides on this 2x4 on the side. So I'm gonna make one just like it with the latch. And see, the reason I make it the boxes, the reason I made this box is because it holds all my stuff. See, you got to be able to stand a 5-gallon bucket inside of here, stand it up, and hold all my stuff. Those metal boxes that they sell, they just don't, they're just not deep enough, big enough, wide enough. See, I make it all the way to the fender well. All the way to the fender well, deep, you know. So I got a lot of tools, so I got to be able to haul all my stuff. Alright, so let me get going on this, and I got treated plywood fixed to put on the horses, and I'll catch back with you a little bit later.
One or both locations to earn your jackpot. Come out and play. See Total Rewards Counter for rules and details. Know when to stop before you start. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-522-4700.
Wake up with a radio.
It's upside down. It's upside down right now. I got it built. Getting there. Got all the tools out. That tray's gonna fit inside of it. Reuse the old tray. Right now I'm taking off those hinges. There's 3 hinges. I'll take off that hasp. Reuse this thing. So here we go. Box is made. Put the hinges on it and all. Using the old tray I got. Slide the tray on those. The tray slides back and forth. Yep. Now, gotta get that old one out of the truck.
Romney to show his birth certificate. Never asked Barack Obama to show his tax returns. Forget the campaign. Get your own platform together and become president of the mind.
There it is. Now I gotta paint it. Yeah, it hangs over. That's what's going to sit over there on the. It'll hang over. Sit on the side of the bed of the truck. And it's deeper, a lot deeper than the other ones. So deeper and wider. I mean, that's like I would say almost 3 feet wide. That's how wide that thing is.